Potatoes are definitely one of my favorite things to harvest because you never know what you're gonna get. So let's see what we have into the soil. I think these were russets. These were potatoes that we found in our pantry that were starting to sprout, and we went with it. So we'll take a look, see if it got anything. Oh yeah, oh, they're definitely russets. So that's what a baby russet potato looks like. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Not exciting. So I learned something this year. So potatoes are not root vegetables necessarily. They are tubers. And so what that means, I'll show you here, okay, is that they actually grow off of the roots. Wow, there we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. So, as you can see here, these are the roots. These are the actual roots, and these grow off of them. So potatoes themselves are not roots. And in fact, in a potato plant, everything except for the tubers is poisonous to eat. That's the roots, that's the stalk, that's the leaves. I believe that's common for the whole nightshade family. And the nightshade family includes tomatoes and peppers and eggplants. Stop eating your produce. Now, potatoes can be poisonous when you eat a green potato. And the reason why potatoes go green is because they interact with the UVs from the sun, and that creates a chemical called selenium. Nope, definitely said that one wrong. So this was one of the ones that I planted. It's all super squishy. There we go. And so that's what sprouted from there and gave us all these other potatoes. So I'm certain they could have stayed in the ground a little bit longer. But we are actually planning on these for dinner tonight, so doing that. And we were just gonna have so many other potatoes. But potatoes you can leave in the ground once the leaves start dying back, which this one was. You can let them stay in the ground for longer and they mature, and the skin actually gets tougher. So then that way they store longer. Because new potato does not store nearly as long as a potato that has been in the ground for longer. Wow. Look at that guy. Hello, lovelies. So this concludes my potato harvest. So it was definitely probably a little bit early to do this, but like I said, my curiosity was getting the better of me, and we needed the pot for space. I freaking love harvesting potatoes. Oh, and we're having for dinner tonight, so here's the harvest from here. These were 4 little russets that we found in our pantry, and they were starting to sprout, so we threw them in the dirt. I think we threw them in the dirt mid-April. So see, today's June 20th, and that's what we got. So there's our tasty little taters. I'm very excited.